Hi there, currently in the van in Freddie's, and we are heading down to the Lake District today, aren't we?
Yes, we're heading to the Lake District. We shall be there in an hour and a half. 84 miles to go.
We're at 1 hour 34 minutes to go. We left just at the back of 9 and it's now 11:30.
Aye, 25 past 9.
So we've got a wee bit further to go and then we're going to stop in Penrith, I think.
Yarp.
See about going to the toilet and refueling if we need to, but we'll see how it goes. So just thought I would do a wee video just to start.
Just a wee quick freaking 5 minutes.
Aye, so that
hello.
so that you're aware of like a beginning video, an intro. And then I'll show you some of the drive. Sorry about the noise, I've not got a mic on. The kind of what the volume will be like or what the sound will be like. But that's us coming into Langham. Is that not where we had a wee picnic?
Yes, it is. We're we're close to the monastery. The Buddhist monastery.
We've had a picnic over there before, but aye, the next thing that you'll see is probably the wee bit of the drive. There's no point taking too much of a video of the roads right now because there's nothing pretty to really see. But once we get down a wee bit further, it'll start to get a bit nicer and I'll film a wee bit of that so you can see the road. But we're currently heading to Lindale Noble Camping or Noblewood campsite.
The home of the Noble Fort.
It's about 7 minutes for the Grange-on-Sea. We've actually done loads of the lakes anyway, but we've never really touched much on the South Lakes or South Cumbria.
Aye, it's called the Three Peninsulas.
So this trip we're planning on going for 4 days. Well, it'll be 5 days in total, but 4 nights. And we're going to see see if we can travel round about the South Lakes because we've never really been there much. Hoping that we're going to have a good signal actually, because every time we go to the lakes, there's always a problem that we have is getting data and getting signal. So we'll see how well it goes anyway. So
see how it goes.
Next you'll see is a wee bit of the drive, and then I'll hook back up with you once we're there at the campsite.
Bounce around, just feel the beat. Yo, grab a friend and move your feet. Say this tune's for joy, a catchy blend. Oh, it claps and chimes, it starts to crescendo. Bounce around, jump with the flow. Tap your feet, let's steal the show. Hey.
This is us travelling the last 5 minutes to camp. I didn't again what that said. There was a big sign there said look out, and I never read it.
Be prepared to stop for pedestrians and animals. That's what it said.
Never great when you're on a road and it's passing places. Always freaks you out a bit. I get freaked out in a car when it's passing places, never mind a van.
Never mind a van, exactly.
Hopefully the road remains quiet. But obviously it's got to get narrower once we get to the actual camp place, eh? I'm aware that everybody has said that when you're coming up here, just go super slow.
just turn in here. Aye, look. It gets narrower.
Ooh. Gosh. Heart in your mouth situation. This is a, what have you got us into, Chell?
Ken, where have you got us gone, Chell?
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Oh, Jesus.
It's up and down. I can see what they said about it on the reviews. It's very up and down. Noble wood camper.
Here we go.
What
It's got us gone round there, round the back.
Aye, you have to.
No,
Did it?
this is the way.
Oh.
This is the way that was on the YouTube.
Well, I think you're really extremely
First gear.
daft to be
Here
doing
we
this.
go. This is Noblewood camping.
Private land. 5 mile an hour. I'm fucking, are we even doing that?
Proceed to the route. What we talking about sat nav? It's first gear all the way,
Aye, I was
unfortunately.
going to say, I don't think you're staying in the right gear here. So we're now waiting here for Stan.
Wait for Stan.
Hi. So we've just arrived. Who's looking out there for Derek? We've just arrived at the Noblewood camping. We've got to set up. It's Derek just walking about down there. That's what it looks like to the side of us. The other side. And the other side. So we just arrived. You'll have seen the road in. I'm not sure how well that's going to have filmed because I never had any tripod or stability on it and it was just up, down. It was a bit of an adventure. But we're here now anyway and we're set up and we're just going to have a coffee. Got caffeinated. There's Derek. Wee River. We'll tell you a story about River actually, probably if we've not already done it in the intro. We'll tell you in the outro, or one of the outros of the videos. I'm not sure yet, but apparently there's somebody going to be camping across there when we're here. And there's somebody across there, but it's not the usual situation where you're like rows of vans. It's quite well spaced out. We've got, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a lake right there. I don't know how well you'll see that. I'll show you around later. We'll go for a walk. And then let you see the facilities and a nice wee camp for what I can see. Nice and quiet. And we're right in the woods. Oh, in the woods. Right, okay. I'm going to go in it for now, have this cup of coffee and then chill for a wee bit and we'll film a wee bit later on. There's River. pond.
Second location. Chell's over there, walking the dog. We moved to an all-enclosed patch forever because she's a pain in the arse. Here she comes. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-da.
Never taken me a walk.
There she goes. And it's just started thundering and lightning. Oh yeah! Right on cue. We have thunder and lightning. Coming from up there. I'll take you to show us our new patch. All enclosed. Nice gates to come in. Van's there, up on its wheel chocks. And then the fence goes right around there. There's our tent. There's our electric box. Fence right around there. Fire pit. Hell yeah.
Probably no point speaking because I'm not here. And the thunder. Now we've got the rain. I'm still getting wet. It hasn't been weathered in yet. Still drier than outside. There's the wee river. Oh, finger. I think we only just got moved to camp in time anyway. I'd show you sights, but
Not to see.
there's nothing to see. Wet. And our electric has just blown. And I'm hoping it's not because of our heater, otherwise we've got to be absolutely freezing the night. I've not got a plan B.
There's nothing I can do.
It's a gift to the universe, that.